Creating a beautiful and functional backyard can transform your outdoor space. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 ideas. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon. This video share to your friends, family members. Whether you are starting from scratch, updating on the current design, here some fresh landscaping ideas inspire your backyard makeover. Vertical garden are a fantastic way to maximize space, especially and smaller backyards. Then walls, growing plants on the walls and stacked containers, creating a lush and greenery backdrop. You can use a variety of plants including flowers, herbs and even vegetables. Vertical gardeners not only add visual interest but also improve air quality and can be a sustainable way to grow your own food. Crafting water features such as fountains, ponds, or waterfalls can add a scene of tranquility and relaxation to your backyard. If you like these ideas or if you are new here, please like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon. This video share to your friends, family members. The sound of flowing water creates calming atmosphere and water feature can attract birds and other wildlife, adding to the natural beauty of your space. Consider a modern sleek fountain for a contemporary look of a natural rock-lined pond for more rustic feel. These are various types of garden ideas. You can choose these ideas for your garden. Transform your backyard into an extension of your home with outdoor living space. Creating zones for logging, dining, and cooking to make backyard versatile area for entertaining and relaxation. Invest in a comfortable outdoor furniture, whether recession rugs and quality grill or outdoor kitchen setup. Add a parabola of contemporary for shade and striking lights for ambience. Embrace sustainability is landscape practice for create an eco-friendly backyard. Use native plants that are well adapted to your local climate and requires less water and maintenance. Craft rain gardens to manage stormwater runoff and composting areas, recycle garden waste. Mulching around the plants helps retain moisture and reduce need to watering. Solar powered garden light can avoid the efficient irrigation system can also contribute to a more sustainable landscape. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon. This video share to your friends, family members. A fire pit or outdoor fireplace can serve as a focal point in your backyard, providing warmth and a cozy gathering spot for family and friends. There are many design options for simple portable fire pits to custom built stone fireplace. Surrounding the fire feature the seating as such a benches, outdoor chairs to add an inviting area for even relaxation and conversation. Crafting a jebel garden in your landscape not only adds beauty but also provides fresh produce lights as a fingertips. Consider raised garden beds which can easier to manage and offer better soil drainage. Plant a variety of vegetable, herbs and fruit trees. Define different areas of your backyard with well-designed pathways and walkways. Use materials like natural stone, bricks, gravel or wood to create paths that guide visitors through your garden. Curved pathways add a scene and mastery of exploration while straight paths create a more formal look. Add lighting along the pathways for safety and a highlight of beauty of your landscape at night. Landscaping your backyard offers endless opportunity to express your creative and enhance your outdoor living experience. By crafting elements such as a vertical garden, water feature, outdoor living space, and sustainable practice, you can create beautiful functional backyard that suits your lifestyle and performance. Whether you prefer a serene retreat or a lively entrance space through a landscape, transform your backyard into a true extension of your home. Thanks for watching, thanks for visiting. Please subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.